In this video, I'll show you how to exit an activity in Möbius, since some Möbius activities allow you to exit and then return to them later. Now, be sure to check out the Resume an Activity help topic and video guide for more information about that part. Now, most activities that you participate with in Möbius will show the Quit and Save button at the bottom, meaning that you can click on that to exit the activity and then return to it at a later time. And all of your work that you've done so far will be still there and saved when you resume your attempt. Now, remember that the quit and save is not the same as submitting your attempt, like on the left-hand side there. Those are two different things. Submitting something will submit it to the system for grading or completion, whereas quit and save will simply save what you've done so far and exit so you can resume it later. Now, there are some things that could happen. For example, your activity could be on a time limit. For example, mine here says unlimited, but you could have a time limit counting down. Or maybe you're doing a proctored exam, which means that you need authorization to return to the exam if you choose to quit and save. Now, be sure to check out all those relevant help topics and video guides for information on those items. So again, just to exit an activity, simply click on the quit and save button here at the bottom. And that's how you exit an in-progress attempt in Möbius.
Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video to be helpful. Want to see what else you can do in Möbius? Be sure to check out the links to the Möbius online help in the video description, as well as our other Möbius video guides. Subscribe to the DigitalEd channel to be the first to know when a new video comes out. And don't forget to hit that like button.